Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by and thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. On today's video, what you're going to be expecting or you're going to be seeing, it's unboxing, very quick. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you another way that you can utilize your money, because you all know on this channel we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. So I'm going to show you another way that you can use this purse that I'm going to unbox today. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you what you should watch out for when you're about to purchase this kind of luxurious item online. And finally, you all know I love to style. I love fashion and styling, so I'm going to be showing you 4 outfits that will pair this purse with. So what we're going to start first of all is going to be the quick unboxing of you all to see what I'm talking about. This was gifted to me when Obi asked me what I wanted for my birthday, which just passed April 12th, and I told him I've been wanting to lay my hands on this YSL purse, which I have been checking online. All right, and he was like, is that what I wanted? I said yes. So Obi purchased this for me. So this is how this came out of the box, and I opened it up. When I open it up, you know, it came with that envelope, the big black envelope that you all are looking at. It has the, if I want to return it. So this purse is the color is dark beige, and I usually refer it to as envelope purse. That's what I call it, and you all can see it's YSL. On their website, it is called the Uptown Pouch in Green. All right, ladies, and you see how beautiful it is coming out from the pack. I love the packaging and I love the dark color. The texture, it's not that smooth, so it's not going to be slippery in your hands. Even if your hands are wet somewhere along the line, you all know this is in the style of a clutch. So some of us might have that sweaty palm that you think it might be sweaty and it's going to leave the print all over. It's not the texture they use is a little bit rough. It's not that smooth kind of leather. It is beautiful, and that is how I love it. I've been longing for it, so I am glad. Thank you, Obi, if you watch this video, for giving me this gift that I've been longing to purchase for a very long time, because it's a purse that I've been longing to purchase. So I saw that you could actually turn it into a crossbody. You all see that this is clutch style, envelope style. So I went ahead and purchased this from Amazon, and it's called an insert. You can insert it into it and turn it into a crossbody. So I went ahead and I purchased that. And because we're all about looking good, it's not equal to breaking the bank. We have to utilize our money, get the value for our money. That is the reason why I restyle outfits multiple times, show you different ways that you can style one particular outfit that you already own in your closet. And the reason why I did a lot of research before I purchase, you know, of course, before I purchase, because I've been longing to buy it for a very long time. Before I purchase it, I've done a lot of research. I wanted to see another way that I could get the value for my money. And how else can you get the value for your money? You know, you carry it like a clutch, and also you use it as a crossbody. We know on YSL they do have the crossbody. Those are pretty much expensive, more than the amount that I purchased this one. This one was sold for, purchased it for $645. If you come across this video, it will be very, very helpful for you, because most time when it comes to purchasing, when it comes to buying luxury item, because we are always scared of the prices, that oh, it's going to be expensive, the first thing that comes to our mind is to jump onto all this consignment store or go to the thrift store and see if you can be able to see it there, or depending on where you live, because some very, you know, area that are very expensive, you can come across this item in the store as thrifted. All right, so depending on where you're living at. But the bottom line is, the first thing that comes into our mind is to go online and see the thrifted one. Go to consignment online. We have different types of consignment store online, but I'm not here to tarnish anybody's business, but I just want to encourage you that before you go ahead to purchase from consignment store, always compare the price. Yes, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, but that doesn't mean that we should spend our money not in a wise way. Please be informed, ladies. You need to do this double check, which I did, and I am glad I did. when I saw the prices, the price I would have purchased it online in and not in a consignment store, and I compare it with the price of this, it does not make any, as in the difference is not that much. All right, so on a particular website which I'm showing you on the screen right now, I'm not going to show the name of the consignment store because I do not want to tarnish anybody's image, anybody's business image. I just want you to be careful when you're purchasing new items and thinking that you're paying less if you buy it from consignment store. All right, on there it is this particular same person, dark beige, it's sold for $530, and they said they're having 10% off. And on that place, they said the retail price is $750 something. Remember, I said this is sold on YSL website. As the main website is sold for $645, but they claim on their website that the retail price is $751. So that will make you to think that, oh, it's lesser. Then think about the price they want to sell it now is $530. So compare it to $645. New one, brand, untouched. All right, we call it tear rubber in Nigeria, like it has not been touched by anybody, used by anybody. Then you spend $645 on that. Then compared to buying it from this website that they claim, that they said they of course they will tell you the condition. When I read the condition of the particular one that I wanted to purchase from them, it says a little scratch here and there, that the medals on it, the gold that says YSL, has a little bit of scratch here and there. The inside has, the interior has some stain. So imagine you spending $530 on something like that compared to spending, just adding a little few amount, and you're going to get the new one, which is going to be used by you for the very first time. This is the reason why I said if you're a beginner trying to purchase luxury item, always check on their website first and see if you can actually afford the new one which you're going to use, comparing to buying it in a price that is very, very close to each other. You understand? Look at $530 to $647. Even if you don't have the money, you save it for a little time, you will make up, and you will meet up with that $645, and you buy it with a peace of mind because it's new. Please be careful. Check on the main website first before you go ahead and buy from consignment store if the prices are reasonable to you. Alright ladies, if you're still watching my video up until this time, please do consider subscribing, and please give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You all know what time is it now. It is time for us to restyle this, for me to show you how I'm going to pair with four different types of outfits. We are talking about skirt, pants, dress.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. The best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling in love. Every breath that we're taking.
Welcome back, ladies. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please don't forget to give me a like on this video. It is very important for you to please like this video. I know I shared a valuable information. If you agree with me, say yes in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.